If you've ever found yourself struggling to keep up with your kids, grandkids, or even just the fast pace of daily life, you're not alone. Maybe you've noticed that your energy isn't quite what it used to be, or perhaps you're starting to see a few more lines in the mirror than you remember. But what if I told you that you could outpace your kids, and even your wrinkles, just by making a few simple changes to what you eat? That's right, the secret to feeling younger, more energetic, and healthier might be hiding right in your kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you 5 incredible superfoods that can help you reclaim your youthful energy and keep you looking and feeling your best, no matter your age. Let's dive into the world of superfoods, those nutrient-packed powerhouses that can transform your health from the inside out. These aren't just trendy buzzwords, they're backed by science and loved by nutritionists for their ability to boost energy, fight aging, and support your body in countless ways. Whether you're a busy parent, an active grandparent, or just someone who wants to feel vibrant every single day, these 5 superfoods deserve a spot in your daily routine. So, grab a pen and paper because you'll want to remember these. Ready to upgrade your pantry and your plate? Let's start with a tiny fruit that packs a massive punch: blueberries. These little blue gems are more than just a delicious snack or a pretty addition to your morning oatmeal. Blueberries are often called nature's candy, but unlike regular candy, they're loaded with nutrients that your body craves. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and bursting with vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin K. But what really sets blueberries apart is their sky-high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are like your body's personal bodyguards. Every day your cells are under attack from free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage your cells and speed up the aging process. Blueberries are packed with a special type of antioxidant called anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color and help neutralize those pesky free radicals. In fact, studies have shown that eating blueberries regularly can help improve memory, protect your brain as you age, and even support heart health. So whether you toss them into a smoothie, sprinkle them on yogurt, or just eat them by the handful, blueberries are a must-have for anyone who wants to stay sharp and youthful. Translation: blueberries are your secret weapon against premature aging. They help your skin stay smooth and radiant, your mind stay clear, and your body stay energized. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a healthier, more vibrant version of yourself, all thanks to a handful of berries each day. It's a small change with big results. Next up on our list of superfoods is a leafy green that's been celebrated for generations: spinach. You might remember Popeye popping open a can of spinach and instantly gaining superhuman strength, but you don't need to be a cartoon sailor to benefit from this powerhouse vegetable. Spinach is loaded with iron, which is essential for carrying oxygen throughout your body and keeping your energy levels high. If you've ever felt tired or sluggish, it could be a sign that you're not getting enough iron in your diet. But that's not all. Spinach is also rich in vitamin C, which helps your body absorb iron more effectively and keeps your immune system strong. Plus, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps your skin stay firm and glowing by supporting collagen production. So, whether you enjoy spinach raw in salads, sautéed as a side dish, or blended into smoothies, you're giving your body a double dose of energy and beauty benefits. And if you want to take it up a notch, try pairing spinach with a squeeze of lemon or some fresh berries for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. Now let's talk about a superfood that comes from the sea: salmon. This delicious fish is famous for its rich, buttery flavor, but it's also one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids you can find. Omega-3s are essential fats that your body can't make on its own, so you need to get them from your diet. They play a crucial role in keeping your brain sharp, your heart healthy, and your joints flexible. In fact, research shows that people who eat salmon regularly have a lower risk of heart disease, better memory, and even improved mood. Think of salmon as youth in a fillet. The healthy fats in salmon help keep your skin supple and hydrated, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. They also support your body's natural anti-inflammatory processes, which means less joint pain and more freedom to move and play, whether you're chasing after little ones or enjoying a walk in the park. And let's not forget, salmon is also a great source of high-quality protein, which your body needs to build and repair muscle, especially as you age. Moving on to number 4, nuts. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, pistachios. There are so many delicious options to choose from, and each one brings its own unique set of health benefits. Nuts are the ultimate snackable energy bombs. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which means they keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. No more mid-afternoon energy crashes or reaching for sugary snacks that leave you feeling worse later. But the benefits of nuts go way beyond just curbing your hunger. They're also rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants that help protect your heart and support healthy brain function. Studies have shown that people who eat a handful of nuts most days of the week have a lower risk of heart disease, better cholesterol levels, and even a longer lifespan. Plus, nuts are incredibly convenient. You can toss them in your bag for a quick snack, sprinkle them on salads, or blend them into smoothies for a creamy texture and nutty flavor. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about the creamy, dreamy superfood that's taken the world by storm: avocado. This green fruit is famous for its rich texture and mild flavor, but it's also a nutritional powerhouse. Avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats which help keep your skin smooth, your heart healthy, and your belly full. They're also a great source of fiber, potassium, and vitamins like vitamin E and vitamin B6. The healthy fats in avocado do more than just keep you satisfied. They also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are essential for glowing skin, strong bones, and a healthy immune system. And because avocados are so versatile, you can enjoy them in countless ways. Mashed on toast, sliced in salads, blended into smoothies, or even as a creamy base for desserts. The possibilities are endless, and your body will thank you for every bite. So the next time you're feeling hungry or looking for a way to boost your energy, reach for one of these 5 superfoods. Not only will you feel more energized and focused throughout the day, but you'll also be supporting your body's natural defenses against aging, illness, and fatigue. Imagine waking up each morning feeling refreshed, vibrant, and ready to take on whatever life throws your way. Your energy and your future self will thank you for making these simple, delicious choices. Remember, it's never too late to start nourishing your body with the foods it loves. Here's to a healthier, happier, and more energetic you.